Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rocket ship cake just like this. A simple birthday cake for a boy or a girl who loves rocket ships. If you love baking and decorating cakes, then make sure you click subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll know the minute my next video comes out to help you do just that.
So the very first thing I did is I made my vanilla sponge cake recipe, which you can see in this video over here. And then I spread on a little bit of the mocha icing that you can see in this video here on the bottom of the cake plate to hold the cake so that it wouldn't slide when we transported it later. And then I put the sponge cake on the cake plate. Piped on some green colored mocha icing with a star tip, then piped on some silver icing around the edge that I'd made with black food coloring to make it gray, and silver luster dust. That was going to be the base, or the earth, for the spaceship to stand on. Then I put another sponge cake on top that I had baked in a bowl so it was rounded for the bottom of the rocket ship, and covered that with mocha icing. My son was so excited and interested to watch his cake being built. Then we covered the top of the cake with more mocha icing and placed another cake on top that I'd baked in a different round bowl. And got that one all covered up with icing too. Then my son Quinn and I had fun piping on different colors of blue lines around it, red and gold icing for fire for the rocket boosters, a chocolate-covered marshmallow that we painted with gold luster dust to put on top, a couple of pretzels that we coated with golden luster dust to use as portals for the spacemen to look out of on their journey through space, some yummy black licorice, and yummy gummy worms. And of course he wanted to top it all off with jelly beans and marshmallows. My son was so happy with the end result. He couldn't wait for his birthday party to come so he could dig into it. And he didn't even mind sharing it with his sisters, although he was eyeing up the licorice and jelly beans for himself.
And that's how you make a really simple rocket ship birthday cake. Now head on over here and I'll share my favorite mocha icing recipe, or down here and I'll show you my sponge cake recipe.